Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, we have already studied our English grammar topic, adjectives, right? So, let's revise first. What do we understand by adjectives? So, adjectives are some words which, provides us some information related to a particular noun. Okay, that noun can be it can be name, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so we can say that adjective provides the quality of these nouns. Okay, so we have already talked about this. Now today we are going to talk about degrees of adjectives. Okay, now what do we understand by degrees of adjectives? So in degrees of adjectives, we are actually comparing more than one nouns. Okay, so we will be talking about more than one nouns and we will be actually comparing them, and that's where we use degrees of comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, so positive degree is that degree of adjective which we use when we are describing only one noun. Okay, so when we are describing the quality of just one noun, it can be any person, it can be any place, or it can be anything or animal. Okay, so when we are just giving the information, the quality of just one noun, then it will be positive degree. Comparative degree will be when we are comparing between two nouns. Okay, so when we are talking about two nouns and comparing their qualities, there we use comparative degree of adjectives. Okay, and to make the comparative degree, we usually add er at the end of our adjective, or we add more word in front of our adjective. For example, more beautiful. Okay, or we can say the word changes altogether in the comparative form. For example, good becomes better in comparative form. But when we are talking about more than two objects, when we are comparing and talking about more than two nouns, then we can say we are using superlative degree. Okay, and to make it the superlative degree, we usually add est at the end of our adjective. Okay, for example, the dull adjective becomes dullest in our superlative form. Okay, and sometimes we add most word in front of our adjectives. Okay, we can say beautiful will become most beautiful in superlative degree. Okay, and sometimes the form of adjective changes altogether. For example, good becomes best in its superlative form. And one more thing to keep in mind, whenever we are writing the superlative degree, whenever we are using superlative degree of adjective, we always write the in front of it. Okay, for example, we can say she is the smartest girl in the class. So I have used the before our superlative degree of adjective. So we always use the article in front of our superlative degree of adjective. Okay, so we are going to do some exercises based on this topic in our English notebook for today. So if you have any doubt in understanding in this topic, you can contact me right away and complete your work which has been shared with you in the worksheet in your English notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, like I said, we are going to do some exercises based on our topic, adjectives, degrees of comparison. Okay, so we have already done one simple exercise on what do we understand by adjectives. Now today we are going to talk about when we have more than one nouns to talk about. Okay, when we are comparing between two nouns, or we can say more than two nouns, there the degrees of comparison comes into picture. Okay, so in the first question I have given you some example which you have to memorize by heart, because these are very important from your exam point of view. So you are going to practice these sample adjective. Okay, and their positive form, their comparative form, and their superlative form. So first form is called positive form. Okay, and second one is called comparative form. Third one is called superlative form. So positive form we use, which is given to you in the first column. So positive positive form of positive degree of adjective we use when we are talking about just one noun. In the second column, you have been given comparative degree of comparative degree of adjective. We use comparative degree of adjective when we are comparing between two nouns. Okay, and we use superlative degree of adjectives when we are talking about more than two nouns. Okay, and when we are comparing among them. So the first one is fat becomes fatter, and then it becomes fattest. Okay, so I've already told you, you can simply add er and est to make it comparative and superlative, but obviously there are some exceptions. Happy becomes happier, and then happiest. So y is replaced by ier and then iest. And then there are some words which change its form altogether. So we have an example: good becomes better, and then it becomes best. Fourth one is old becomes older, then oldest. And sometimes we add more and most word in front of our adjective to make it comparative and superlative. So one example is here: beautiful becomes more beautiful, and in comparative form, and in superlative form it becomes most beautiful. You will not write beautifuler and beautifulest. Okay, next one is far. Far becomes farther, and then in superlative form it becomes farthest. Bad becomes worse, and then worst. Tall becomes taller, and then tallest. Honest becomes more honest, and then most honest. Difficult becomes more difficult, and then most difficult. Alright, now we are going to attempt question number 2, in which you have been given the filling the blanks, and you have to fill in these blanks with the suitable form, suitable degree of adjective. In the first one, I am dash then you. So we are talking about two person, right? So there is I and there is another person, you. So when we are talking about two nouns, then we use comparative degree. So we will use the comparative degree of tall. Then it becomes I am taller than you. Second one is Rohan is the dash student of the class. So here we are comparing Rohan with more than two nouns. Okay, we are comparing Rohan with rest of the class, student of the class. So it becomes Rohan is the brightest student of the class. Okay, and just notice that I have used the article the in front of the brightest, because we always use the article in while we are using superlative degree of adjective. Third one is Tia is more dash than Pia. So we are comparing between Tia and Pia. So there are two subjects given to us. So we will use comparative degree. So this becomes Tia is more beautiful than Pia. Of all men, he is the strongest. Okay. So we are comparing this person with all of the men. Okay. So that's why we use superlative degree. He is the strongest. Today is the coldest day of the year. So we are comparing today with rest of the days of this year. So we use superlative degree again. Today is the coldest day of the year. So these were some exercises which you have to write down in your English notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.